Hello, today I'm in Toyota Prius. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look. Under the steering wheel, right here we've got this small lever. To activate cruise control, firstly accelerate to desired speed and then press the button located on the top of this lever. Now, pull the lever downwards and it's set. To increase the speed, push the lever upwards. To decrease the speed, push it downwards. To pause cruise control, pull the lever. And to disable it, press this button again. You can see that cruise control is enabled or disabled by appearing of the icon right here on the top. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.